Turn left, Sutherland Road, then turn right.
Look at the next instruction.
Turn right, Clifton Grove, then you have reached your destination on your left.
Do you know something? I can never ever get these sat-navs to work. You know, I'm trying to teach people to drive. Somebody needs to teach me how to use a sat-nav. Okay, what we're going to do, we're going to follow the road up and we need to find somewhere safe to park up. And forgive me guys, it's my fault completely. After the
You have reached your destination, Clifton Grove. It is on your left.
I'm so sorry guys. So after the last car on the white, pull up on the left.
There.
So the last car, this one.
Oh, okay.
And pull up on the left
to
here.
the left here.
Just here?
Yeah.
Anywhere here, please.
Can I just drive
No,
in?
don't go on the pavement. Don't go on the pavement. Park on the
Just
road.
park up like this. Yeah? Slowly.
It's my fault guys, I'm so sorry.
It's okay, it's okay.
Amber,
Yes,
pass me the
careful.
sat-nav please.
Okay.
I don't know why, for the love of God, I can never
I don't
fix
know
this
why.
sat-nav.
It happens.
No, it's always
It's
me.
always.
It's always sat-nav. It's the only thing I can't do properly. I can never set a sat-nav up so it just goes along a route and just does its job.
It's okay, it's okay.
I'm a little bit
We
annoyed
fix
that I
it
kind
and
of...
then we go.
I'm doing something wrong. I think I'm going
Yes,
to take...
something like...
I'm going to take lessons in how to program a sat-nav.
Start off finally and then we just come around here.
Oh, it's frustrating.
Yeah, it's fine, it's okay. Just gonna take a few seconds and then we'll go off. So when you come out, you come more to the right and then we go there in the road, okay? This is your line in the middle. It's okay, don't worry.
Amber, there you go.
Okay.
You will arrive at your destination at 11:24 a.m.
Let's get ready to move off and then follow the sat nav, okay? Yeah, slowly. Okay, fine.
I don't understand it now.
You can turn left here from here and then we'll see the instruction, okay?
Oh, okay.
We're turning left from here.
You can help her from here at the start of the test. So we're going to turn left at the end of this road and we're going to follow that learner car. We're going to turn right onto HareHills Lane.
So busy this road today.
Turn right, B6159, HareHills Lane.
Keep looking around. going next?
We're gonna turn left, I think.
Yeah.
But not now.
Yeah, not now. I think it's end of the road you're going to turn left.
After 600 feet, turn left, A64, York Road, then take the second left. Turn left, then take the second left.
So we are turning left and then second left again, okay?
Okay.
Second road on the left
So
side.
we're gonna turn left and then second left. Yeah?
Yes.
After 600 feet, turn left, Gypton approach, then turn left.
So we can turn left on the road this way.
Bear left, then turn left.
Yeah. So where are you going next?
I think we're gonna turn left, looks like.
Okay.
At the end of the
The
road.
road. Okay.
After a quarter of a mile, turn left, Whitebeck Valley Road.
And what's the speed limit on this road?
30.
Okay.
After 900 feet, turn left. Turn left, Whitebeck Valley Road.
Where are you going next?
I think at the roundabout we're gonna take the second exit.
Okay.
Next roundabout.
Okay.
After 600 feet, cross the roundabout and take the second exit, Whitebeck Valley Road. Cross the roundabout and take the second exit. After 600 feet, cross the roundabout and take the second exit, Foundry Lane.
But
Cross the roundabout and take the second exit.